Harmony Visual, adding content to the media library. The media library window is where content is uploaded and stored for use in scheduling. Adding content to this window is the first step to the scheduling process. Uploading your own content. The type of content supported for upload includes static images in the formats of JPEG and PNG, and videos in the formats of MP4, MOV, and WMV. Your own content is not editable in Harmony. Ensure all edits are made to your content before uploading. To upload your own content into the media library, select the plus icon in the media library toolbar and select Upload a Media from the drop-down menu. This will open your computer's Finder or File Explorer. Select your desired file or files to add to the media library and select Open. Harmony will analyze the file or selection of files and begin the upload and encoding process. An arrow animation may appear as the file is being uploaded. A gear wheel animation may follow, signifying that encoding has begun. Once a thumbnail image appears in the media library, the file has successfully uploaded and is ready for use. Do not log out or exit the window while content is loading, as your content will not properly upload. Creating a template. Consider using Mood's pre-designed templates to quickly and easily create professional content. Templates are editable and allow you to further customize your visual experience. There are over 1,000 templates built into Harmony. Your template options may vary depending on your industry. To use a template, from the Media Library window, select the plus icon in the Media Library toolbar and select Create from Template from the drop-down menu. Use the search bar to search for a template or scroll and browse all available templates. Select your desired template and select the button Select. Give your template a unique name and select Save. Your template will now appear in your media library. To edit or adjust the text or images found in the template, select your template. The Properties window will populate with the template details. The section Fields houses the image and text options. Make your desired changes. Your changes to the template will automatically save. To preview your changes, select the Preview icon in the Properties window toolbar. The preview will adjust to however your web browser is set, so the preview may look distorted even if your content is correctly sized. Your content will display correctly on your TV screens. To learn more about what is available to edit in the Properties window, check out the video Harmony Visual Properties. Creating a folder. As content in your media library can quickly build up, consider organizing content by creating and utilizing folders. To create a new folder, select the plus icon in the Media Library toolbar and select Create Folder from the drop-down menu. Give your new folder a unique name and select Create. Your folder will now appear in the Media Library window. Select, drag, and drop existing content from the Media Library into the new folder or upload content directly into the new folder. To learn how to upload content, see the section Uploading Your Own Content. Folders can also be created within folders. To create a folder within a folder, open your desired folder and repeat the steps to create a new folder. Exploring the Media Library toolbar. Hover text can be seen when you hover over an icon in the Media Library toolbar. The following actions can be completed from the Media Library toolbar: deleting, creating a copy, exporting, sorting, filtering, locating, and content viewing options. To delete content or folders, select the desired content or folders and select the trash can icon. You are unable to delete content that has been scheduled within a channel. To create a copy of existing content or folders, select the desired content or folders and select the Copy Selected Items icon. A copy of the selected content will appear in the media library. The duplicated content or folder name will end in _copy. To export a list of the content or folders in your media library, select the Export to Excel icon. To sort or filter the contents or folders, select the Filter icon. There are various ways to sort content. You can also filter by different content types or tags. To locate specific content or folders, select the Search icon. Enter your search criteria to begin locating your desired content or folder. The media library contents can be viewed in either thumbnail or list view. To toggle between either view, select the thumbnail view or list view icon.